Hello student, good morning. I welcome you once again. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so what is PowerPoint? Microsoft PowerPoint is a software. It is a part of MS Office package. You know MS Office package? Yes, there are number of softwares like MS Word, MS Excel, MS Paint, MS PowerPoint. So these all are software. So, introduction to PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a presentation program developed by the Microsoft. It provides various views and tools which you can use to build a presentation, that including words, graphics, media, animation. Okay, a PowerPoint presentation is also known as slideshow. Okay, one page of your presentation is called a slide, and a group of pages of any one topic is called a presentation. Okay, so what is presentation? Presentation is a systematic way of presenting something. Like if you want to present something in front of your teacher, your friend, with the help of pictures, audio, animation, graphic, then it is called a presentation. Okay, now let's take another example. I am your teacher and I am writing in the blackboard. Only I am writing, I am not showing you any pictures, any animation, then it will be very difficult to understand. But if I show you some pictures, some animation, then it is very easy to understand. Okay, so starting PowerPoint. How you can start your PowerPoint? Yes, so window must be running to start a PowerPoint. Follow the step to execute PowerPoint. First you need to click on a start button, then choose all program, click on Microsoft Office, and in the last select Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. Okay, what is 2010 is here? Yes, 2010 is a version. You can also use 2007. So when you choose Microsoft PowerPoint, a window will be appears, that is called a PowerPoint program window. So it contains components like file tab, ribbon, quick access toolbar, title bar, okay, slide pane, note pane, view buttons. Yes, so let's learn more about components of Microsoft PowerPoint. The first is a title bar. Where is title bar in this picture? Yes, title bar show the name of the display's presentation. And what is the default name? Presentation 1. Yes. Next is a file tab. Where is your file tab? Yes. So when you click on the file tab, a backstage view will be appears. Okay. So you will find a list of command here, like save, open, print, etc. So if you want to save your presentation, then you can also use two shortcut command, that is Ctrl plus S. Okay. Next is a quick access toolbar. Here you can see quick access toolbar display buttons of save, undo and redo command. Next is a ribbon. This area is called a ribbon. Ribbon display group of related command in tabs. Each tab of a shortcut button to common task. Okay, next is a status bar. Where is status bar in this picture? Can you tell me? Yes, the status bar consists of a message area. This message area display the current slide number and a total number of slide in the slideshow. You can see in the pictures, where is the status bar? Yes, at the bottom of your presentation. Okay, next is a text placeholder. Here you can see this one is text placeholder. Text placeholder allow you to type title, body text, bullet list in the placeholder. Okay, so it is a list of components. Next is a creating a blank presentation with design theme. How you can create a blank presentation? You can select a particular design theme with the help of design tab. And where is your design tab in the pictures? Yes, this one is home tab. Next is a insert, and third is a design tab. So you need to select design tab on the ribbon. By default, PowerPoint open a blank slide. So whenever you start the program, click on the design tab, then click on any one theme with the help of your mouse. Now you can see in the pictures there are lots many themes, so you can choose any one theme. Okay, the themes is applied to slide 1. Now you can see here, this one is slide 1. When the themes is applied to the slide, you can start adding the text. Okay, remember one thing. The first thing you should do to decide a topic considered with your teacher and identify the number of slides you may need. The basic structure of a presentation. First, calculate the number of slides you need. Make an outline of a material that you plan to cover, and then divided the material into individual slide. Okay, so you may also make a 5-slide presentation, 6-slide presentation. Okay, yes. So here I am making a presentation about introduction to computer. This one is my topic. Okay, the topic name is introduction to computer. So you can make any number of slide in your presentation. Creating the title slide. How you can create a title slide? Yes, PowerPoint assume that every new slide has a title. Any text type after a new slide display become title text in the title text placeholder. Now you can see in the pictures. Yes, click on the title text placeholder box and then type your text in the text placeholder box. Here I am writing introduction to computer. Okay, now click on the subtitle text in the placeholder box. And where is your subtitle box? Yes, type your text in the subtitle placeholder box. Here I am writing by the student of class 5. What is my main topic? That is introduction to computer. And what is my subtitle? That is by the student of class 5. Okay. Now next is adding a new slide to a presentation. So if you want to add a new slide to a presentation, so you can add a new slide to a presentation. Normally whenever a presentation is created, in addition to slide, one can add text, graphic or any chart. So follow these steps to add a new slide. How you can add a new slide? Click on the home tab. Where is your home tab? Yes, and then click on a new slide button. So when you click on the new slide button, the slide 2 presentation appears in the presentation. Now you can see in the pictures there are 2 slides, your first slide and a second slide. So if you want to add a new third slide, you can also follow that step. Yes, so I think you have understand the chapter very well, and if you have any doubt you can ask me. In the next video we will learn about changing the slide layout, how you can changing the slide layout in your presentation, adding a clip art image, adding a picture image, and adding border to the image. Okay, so thank you very much.